I'm super excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got a video jam-packed with value. I'm going to show you how you can make $100 to $500 by just copying and pasting some ads on websites. Right, this is a free strategy that you are going to use to make money working from home. I'm going to give you the websites and everything. This is a detailed step-by-step tutorial that you cannot afford to miss. My channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If you are looking for a way of using the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you're watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. We need a free product to promote, and I'll show you an affiliate network. There are so many affiliate networks where we can get some free products to promote, but I'm going to show you one for the sake of time. If you've got your own product that you are promoting already, then stick with me. I'll show you where you can place your product and you have some eyeballs watching it. Okay, we're going to take our product from a site called ClickBank. If you don't know ClickBank, ClickBank is one of the biggest affiliate networks. If you don't have an account, it's straightforward. Just sign up for a free account. You don't need to pay any subscription to this website. Once you are done with signing up on this website, you come to Marketplace. And on the left-hand side, you see the categories. For the sake of our demonstration, we're looking at e-business and e-marketing. You click that button, and it gives you a list of all the products under e-business and e-marketing. We are going to quickly pick up a product from here. We look for a product that gives us a decent amount upfront, like this one, $100. So if someone buys through our link, we get $100 upfront. And we want also a product that gives us recurring income, that every month we are going to get some money coming from the same product, and we've just put our effort once. And now we're going to get residual income or recurring income. This product is called Perpetual Income 365. An average rebill of 50%, and it's got a gravity of 252. At least 252 people are marketing this product and they're making money, right? So it might be cutthroat competition right there, right? But anyway, for our demonstration's sake, we just pick this one, okay? And how much is the total rebill? The total rebill is about $79. That's a good start. These are the points to look at. You look for a product that is a rebill. It has got a decent upfront payment. It's got a total rebill of $80, and it's got 50% average percentage rebill. Okay, it means every month now you'll be getting 50% of 79, which is about $40. So every month you're getting recurring income. You've worked once and then every month you're getting a recurring income. This is a free strategy. You're not going to pay anything. Therefore, we are not expecting to produce our credit cards or our debit cards right here. What is needed is just our efforts that we put in. So how do we get our link? You click that promote button and it brings you here. Click generate hope links. Link now, it identifies me because that's my nickname right there. On there, it will be your nickname. So this hope link, this link will be coded to you. Like this one is coded to me. It identifies me. When someone buys that product through this link, I am going to get $100. And every month I'll be getting $40 through this link. So yourself, you're coming and you'll be also doing the same thing. If someone buys through your link, you get $100 and $40 every month, recurring income. You don't want to send an ugly link like that. It's too long, it looks spammy. So you go to a site called bit.ly.com. So bit.ly.com will help us to shorten our link. So you shorten it, and then now you've got a nicer looking link. And that's the link that you're going to copy and paste on the websites that I'm going to show you. And now we want to see where we can put the link for people to see it, for people to buy through our link. First site we are going to look at is called the free ad forum. We are free to copy and paste our links. See here it says, post your affiliate offers, business opportunities, ClickBank promotions, services, real estate, vehicles, classes, all for free. There is good traffic coming to this site. 200,000 people are visiting this website every month. You publish your ad for free right there. You click publish. You click categories, and then you go for work from home. Work from home, right? That's the keyword that you're going to use. And the title, remember I said I'm going to give you the resources, the templates, everything that you need to make it easy for you in this copy and paste business. And you start to make $100 to $500 every day by just copying and pasting. So we need a good title that goes with work from home. And I've got my list right here. And I'm going to give you the list if you want. Indicate in the comments below if you want the whole list of what I have here. The titles, the descriptions, the keywords, everything that you need. I've got a whole list right here. Just indicate in the comments below and I'll send it to you. Okay, without wasting time, let's just copy that. I'm copying. This is copy and paste business. Copy, and then we go back to our site and we put it there, we paste, all right? That's our title. And we need a description, a good description. That's the ad that we need to put in right there. And I've got your back covered right here, my friend. I've got the ads. Copy that. It's a copy and paste business that we're doing, okay? We go back to our description, to our site, and we paste, right? So that's our ad. And then where it says price right there is zero. We're not paying anything. Where it says now visit our website, you remember we've got a link that we took from ClickBank. And then we shortened that whole link. It was too spammy and too ugly and too long. And then we went to bit.ly.com, we shortened it, and it was more beautiful. This is the link, all right, from Bit.ly. Right, so when people click that link, it will take them to that product where we have got a potential of getting $100 upfront and $40 recurring revenue every month. All right, so where it says keywords right here, I've got you covered. So these are the tags that we're going to use. You just copy and paste. You remember, this is copy and paste. You're making $100 to $500 every day by just copying and pasting ads on websites, okay? This is not a one-off thing that you're going to do, just one ad and then you forget about it. No, you're going to do it daily, okay? Enter the YouTube URL. It means if you've got a YouTube link, you can put it right there. If you don't have a YouTube link, you can use mine. But here, where it says visit our website, make sure that this is your own link. So we are going to use my own video, okay? Right? And then you click publish. You don't need to upgrade anything right here. Where it says now apply, you click no thank you. I don't want extra exposure for my ad right now. I just want to submit it for free. So that's what you do. And our next site is called Free Global Classified Ads. It's the same process. It's the same process. You just click publish your ad right there, and then you go through the same process. The next site where we are going to do copy and paste, my friend, is called Craigslist. You might have used Craigslist before, but we are going to do it with a different twist, right? Instead of going to jobs right here, if you go to jobs right here, Craigslist will shut down your advert. They want you to pay. They don't want to see any opportunities like that, okay? They don't want to see affiliate marketers, right? But the way you are going to do is you're going to go to CVs. When it is Craigslist US, it will be saying resumes, okay? So you click CVs. You come to a page where people are looking for jobs. So you put your keyword, jobs, on top, jobs wanted, right? You can see that the whole list of people are looking for some jobs. You can put another keyword, work wanted, right? So you can see the whole list right there. Since these people are advertising themselves and they are available to do some work, you can reply. You click that ad saying, looking for admin work in South Manchester, a vast experience in admin roles, part-time hours, please. Open to all new ideas. So this person is open-minded. So what you do, you click reply. Right. And then you send them a letter, which I'm going to show you now. You can use the Gmail account, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, Live, AOL, okay? You can use those accounts. You are going to do it multiple times. So you need to have some more accounts. You open 3, 4 Gmail accounts if you can. Have few of those and you reply to these people, right? So I'm going to give you a template of what you're going to say as a reply. This is the Craigslist reply that you're going to put. You say, hi, I saw on Craigslist that you are looking for a job. We are open to speaking with you about our open opportunities. Please feel free to contact me here and we'll send you some information to review about our company and opportunities. Thank you. Then you put your name there, Len. That's me. So you copy this letter and then you go to Craigslist and then you just paste the letter and then you send it. So you do it again and again using different email accounts. So once you get some response from these people, you send them another letter, which I'm going to give you now. Okay, right? You can see that I did not include any link. There is no link in this letter. There is no link at all because you don't want to spam people. You want people to respond to you and then they give you the consent to send them some more information. All right. So once they reply, this is what you say. Say, hi, thanks for your interest in this amazing opportunity that's changing lives every day. All you will be doing is just copying and pasting ads on social networks, classified ad sites, responding to emails just like I'm doing here. We have all the ads and scripts for you to use. Easiest job ever. This is not a scam. It's absolutely free to get started. Visit this website here. Then you put your link. You remember you've got your Bitly link. You place it right there. So that when they click it, they go to the product in ClickBank here. If they buy the product, you get $100. And every month, if they maintain their account, you'll be getting $40. All right, so that's how you are going to make money, my friend. Right. Just to show you that this strategy works, I've used this strategy. Okay. And you can see here, this is another version of it. It says, seeking dedicated sales consultant who is ready to learn and implement their skills from training. You create your own hours, minimum 2 hours per day, 100% commission, no experience needed, just dedication, limited spots. Please reply. So that's the kind of template I was using. These are the responses that I got. One says, what's the product? Okay. And then I replied, thanks for reaching back to me. It's digital marketing, my friend. If you want, I can send you the details. Please let me know. And then I put my name right there. And then the person replied, said, please send more info. Thank you. And then I send them the information. It's Len. Thanks for reaching back. It's great that you are interested in getting more information. That was now the time I had to send the link, the bit.ly link right there that I sent. And if you click it, it gets you to an affiliate product. If you want to have more information, let me know in the comments below. I'll send you the scripts, I'll send you the tags, I'll send you the titles, I'll send you the compelling descriptions, that the ad copy that you need, and you go on to business. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we see each other in the next videos. Thank you for watching.